Merry Christmas!
We have a surprise for you.
This is our IOD Woodland Christmas, filled with 8 pages of luscious Christmas artwork by the talented Lexi Grenzer, exclusively for IOD.
This is so beautiful. These are all hand-painted designs, and they're just beautiful. Wait till you see what we're going to be using it for today.
Yes.
Our guest of honor is within the pages.
Yes. There's 8 sheets like we said, and you can see on the back each of the sheets. It's 12 by 16.
What are we going to be using today?
Now you want to, as always, you don't want to touch the back of the transfer sheets.
Notice how she whisked my hand away.
But we've got 8 sheets of these, and they're loosely bound at the top so that you can pull them out easy or just leave them in here to be stored. And each sheet has its non-stick backing. And you can see here, there's 8 of these. And this pad happens to be 8 of these 12 by 16 sheets. So you're going to still handle them carefully, but it's much easier in this pad format, so we're loving it.
There are so many designs in here, you guys.
Yes.
You are going to have all the options when you're making your Christmas projects this year.
Sally was like, more acorns, more acorns.
More pine cones,
yes.
More pine needles.
Yes.
I love it. This is so awesome. We're going to be using a lot of these designs today. What are we starting with?
We are starting with our big buck.
Our
so handsome. Let's go ahead and just take this out. Set this aside.
I think he might be my favorite thing about this set.
He is pretty
fabulous.
So let's cut out the holly sprigs we have in here.
We'll use those later. Set them aside
for later.
One thing we love about the transfers, if you guys are new to transfers are amazing for how they make beautiful quick projects. So you'll see how we're just gonna buzz through like creating a beautiful gallery set in minutes. Now we've actually prepped this board right here with using our barnwood plank, and we did seal it because you want to seal your surface before you put your transfer on.
Yes, that really enhances your adhesion strength when you, especially when you're using a mineral type paint like we do most of the time.
Yes,
sealing it with a nice water-based type of sealer,
very
so that
important.
you've got nice adhesion. So here we are. That's pretty fabulous.
Beautiful.
Oh, and wait, this you also planked it.
I did talk about that. You were busy cutting out our handsome fella. Okay. But yes, we did use our barnwood plank stamp to create a barnwood look on this simple board. We are using our 12 by 16 wood blank for this. And so, I mean, it's awesome.
This is
it's
what it
ready
looks like
to go.
on the back.
Yeah, so you can use both sides.
Yes, it's reversible, and this is sized such that you can use it for that inset or popped shadow box look if you want, or build up this frame, paint it a contrasting color.
But we went with the flat side for today, so we could barnwood plank it.
I'm gonna need another one of these, I think.
Okay.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Oh,
so fun.
Handling carefully.
Quick and easy and fun.
Now you're going to carefully
lay it over.
Get yourself
nice and
centered.
We have grid marks on our transfers.
That helps you, as you can see.
Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Then once it's down and centered, you're going to gently rub your hand over the surface of it, and then just get started with the applicator, which comes with it.
We like to start at one end and move towards the other.
Yeah, you kind of catch a little bubble or air, and that really helps the transfer process.
Exactly.
There it goes. You can hear that magical clickety-clackety crackle.
That's
more of a crackle.
Yeah.
And there he goes. He's coming off. You guys, this is so quick.
Love these designs because first off, Lexi is so talented, but we love the look of the result of the transfer looking like it's this hand painted. We just love it.
Right. Our transfers are popular to use on furniture and wall art and all kinds of different projects. Our holiday ones are just going to make for beautiful signage and Christmas gallery walls.
Yes.
All of your Christmas projects.
And that's a great point too. If you're working on a project that's larger or is vertical, sometimes you need to use some low tack tape to tape and tack your design in place so that it's not moving around. This is pretty easy just to hold it with one hand, but even so, if you feel like it could shift, go ahead and use some low tack tape. That's not going to lift or pull your surface painting from to help you keep it nice in one spot.
And he's almost done. Here we go. Moment of truth. My fingers haven't worked. There we go. Oh, so pretty. Okay, now
I
want to take a little piece.
A piece of this, and for that initial kind of burnish, because this slides nicely without tugging on that surface. And burnish it. Burnishing is going to be your best friend for getting a good adhesion that's going to last.
Beautiful. I love him.
This is adorable. That is so cute.
How quick and easy was that, you guys? In our next piece in this gallery set, we are going to do the Fresh Cut Trees Vintage Christmas Tree sign. And for that, we're going to use the Christmas trees right from the same set. Josie's going to quickly cut them out.
Now that has been stamped and sanded.
Oh, right. Yes, we used, you might be wondering how we did our lettering. We used our swoosh and our retro alphas that are also new. Beautiful. This is going to be so pretty.
I like it. I don't know that we need more than one, do we?
No, just one.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
See how much you're getting? The value in this
I know. There are so many projects in there, honestly. It's going to last you all Christmas long, all season long. Okay, love it. Okay.
That is so cute. I love this sign.
Here we go. Is that good?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay. And then down we press. Okay. I love these Christmas trees, Lexi.
Yes. She super talented.
We're going to actually post the links to her social down below so you guys can connect with her as an artist as well.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
see more of her artwork and follow her.
With two of us doing it, it makes it look harder than it actually is. Because I'm all under you.
I know. Oh, I can't wait to see this one. I've had this one visualized in my mind for so long. I've been waiting to finish it off with this transfer. Here we go. You guys have been so patiently waiting for IOD Christmas, and we could not be happier to bring it to you.
Hold on, let me buff it.
Okay, all right, buff it,
Burnish it in.
Burnish it.
Using this so it slides and you're not tugging.
I love it.
So cute.
Just a quick,
it's adorable.
easy project. Isn't that fun, guys?
I'm loving it.
I love this piece. All right, let's do another one. This next one I'm really excited about. I love the signage that looks like an old chalkboard. Now we're doing this permanent, so it's not a chalkboard, but it's painted in a soft black to look like one. So I am going to go on with our new farmhand stamp set, and I'm going to stamp the word Noel on it. Have these been treated yet?
Oh, conditioned?
Conditioned?
No.
Do you want to hand me that sanding block? I'm going to give a quick condition on it.
Just do the 4 letters we're using right now. What conditioning does, and if you've watched our 101 videos, you know this, and if you haven't, you should, is just gives that surface tooth. Our stamps are the highest quality stamps, and they do not come with any films or residuals on them. That's not why we condition. We condition to give them that micro texture that gives you a more stable medium.
Do you guys love farmhand or what? Isn't that it's such a fun font.
It is.
I love how with this release we have come out with several new fonts for you guys, so you can do so much different layouts and word art for your signage.
Now remember, you always want to keep the backs of the stamps super clean for perfect adhesion to your mount. So that means you don't touch them as much. No, but you lay those out how I know how picky you are about it. Lay those out exactly as you want them. You told me
dark and control
that I could tell you you're doing that wrong.
I lied. I thought you knew I was joking. Okay. All right. I have it exactly as I want it. And I didn't touch it. Okay, here we go. The word is centered, and I'm going to go down with my thin mount. Hold on. Making it nice and straight skis. Picking it up. Here we go. And now I'm going... You said I could do this one.
Okay. I want you to do it. I want you to. Do it. Right now.
I love how you crack yourself up. Okay. Now, I love this white ink. It gives... This is our IOD white ink, and it gives such a chalk look that I just love it. Okay, and we're gonna go centered. Now you could also do this any direction and then fill the foliage for a different layout, but I'm gonna go ahead and center it. Okay, and then once you lay down, don't shift. And then use your hands with light, even pressure.
Not shifting.
Not shifting.
But getting good contact over your whole thing for a really nice impression.
Okay. Oops, you shifted it.
No, I didn't.
One hand is enough. I've got it.
Okay. I did the opposite of shift it. Oh, so cute.
So cute! Even though it's a little shifted, still, it's awesome.
It's super cute.
So if you have a sister that won't take her hands off of your project,
it'll
film. Still look good.
It's on film. They'll be able to see who was still and who shifted.
Anywho, word is done. Now we're going to take the transfers and we are going to embellish. Oh, you've already got them cut out.
Yes.
Fabulous.
With the little holly spriggerigs. So cute.
Okay.
If we do like, I feel like, I don't know.
Yeah, like this.
I like it.
A couple down
Maybe.
here. Actually, this should be there. We're laying out. I like that. Just like that. Looks perfect.
Beautiful.
We ended up with a completely different layout than what we started with, but that's what happens. Isn't this pretty, guys? Just a quick little ditty to add to our Christmas gallery wall, our Woodland Christmas. It's beautiful. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this time with us. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's right.
And check out your local stockist to get these products. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Merry Christmas!
We have a surprise for you.